Holy shit! Whoa. Those are all fucking birds. All those are fucking birds. I'm sorry for swearing, just... What the fuck? Holy shit. I'm at a safe distance because birds keep flying overhead over in that general area. And there's a bike trail I use to train with my swords and stuff. Anyways, I was training with my swords, or with my sword, and oh no! What the? Oh my god! What the fuck? Okay, and that happened. I saw that shit right there happen. Oh my god. I need to get to higher ground. Okay. What the hell, Mother Nature? I mean, is this the same bird that made a nest at my apartment once? Bro, could be. This park's down the street by where I'm at, but the stragglers. Oh fuck, they're over there too. Oh, sweet baby mama. There's more in that tree. The fuck's going on? Holy shit. There's probably more out there somewhere. I can hear some stragglers trucking by. Christ. What type of shit is this? Yo, do you guys know? Sorry, my hands are freezing. It's fucking winter out here right now. What the fuck? Look at that. So many nests. There's two nests up there. There's probably more other places. What is this? Some sort of mating ritual? Some party or some shit? What? Is that the alien strip? Or no, not alien. Alien strip club. No, is this the bird strip club? Shit, man. Well, anyways, yeah. I was gonna do a video on my sword training, but this is some shit. The fuck, Mother Nature, Jesus. Christ almighty. Gotta be careful getting down here. Sun's going down quick. So, yeah. The fuck, Mother Nature? Where the fuck are they going? Fuck. Yo, is someone a burb expert? Is someone a burb expert of suburban burbs? Bro. What the fuck? Man, birds are the weirdest animals. Well, one of the weirdest anyways. Yeah. Alright. So anyways, guys. That happened. Alright, well. Just, have a safe winter. Be careful of birds, because I'm pretty damn sure if I would have stayed where I was over there at, I would have gotten shit on. I'm surprised I haven't. I went right directly under a whole floor. Oh my god. Sorry, I gotta get this. There's more. There's more. Mother Nature. Calm down. The fuck. Oh. Oh. When YouTube goes to shit, so people switch to Twitch. And there's some over there like, the fuck, man? Why'd you leave? Oh, God. Shit. From far away. Oh my lord. Bruh. They made that tree look like Brock. Oh! The literal incarnation of fuck are they doing? Okay. Are they heading over here? Where the hell are they? Oh no, they just switched trees. Oh. They switched to that tree. Okay, if they start coming over here, I'm gonna shit myself. I'm not even gonna lie. Well, not shit myself, but you know. Okay. Okay, what are you doing, Mother Nature? Where are you sending your birds? What are you doing? What? Oh fuck. Oh wait. Nah, they're just going back to the trees. What type of fuckery? Like some of them are like what the fuck did it? Is their memory that bad? Anyways, look. I'm gonna go now. I'd record more, but I kind of have been using up my memory space a lot. Anyways, guys, that happened. Training at the park gone wrong, or almost went completely wrong, but I managed to get away from the shitstorm, the literal flying rat shitstorm. Anyways, okay. Now I'm gonna go. Now I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Oh, god damn.